I'm Mike Hackard with Hackard Law. Life moves in patterns we grow familiar with, routines, responsibilities, and the comfort of predictability. But in my years as a trust and estate litigator, I've learned that life can shift without notice. A sudden illness, an accident, a family disagreement about an inheritance. These moments arrive quietly and change everything for the people involved. When the unexpected happens, families face more than emotional loss. They face decisions, responsibilities, and in many cases, legal and financial complexity. And the difference between order and uncertainty often comes down to preparation. Preparing for the unexpected begins with one essential step: working with a skilled estate planning lawyer who helps you put structure in place before life requires it. Why preparation matters. The unexpected isn't rare, it's part of life. A parent passing without a will, children unsure how assets should be divided, a business left without leadership, a beneficiary unintentionally disqualified from essential benefits. These situations can unfold quickly and place significant strain on a family. A thoughtful estate plan does more than outline who receives what. It creates stability in moments where clarity is needed most, clarifying goals and priorities. Most people start the estate planning process with general concerns. An estate planning lawyer helps turn those concerns into clear, actionable direction. What do you own? Who depends on you? What risks or family dynamics need to be addressed? Whether you're protecting a spouse from a prior marriage, supporting a child with special needs, or planning for charitable giving, your lawyer helps shape those priorities into a legally sound plan. Building a comprehensive plan. A well-prepared estate plan is layered. It often includes a living trust to avoid probate, a will to address guardianship and overlooked assets, powers of attorney for financial matters, healthcare directives for medical decision-making, and HIPAA authorizations so the people you trust can access information when needed. Each document plays a different role, and together they ensure that your affairs remain manageable even when you cannot manage them yourself. Planning for incapacity. Incapacity can be more disruptive than death, especially without proper legal tools. A stroke, cognitive decline, or an accident can leave families uncertain about who can make decisions or manage finances. Without clear authority, the court may step in through a conservatorship, a process that can be burdensome, public, and slow. Estate planning allows you to designate trusted individuals in advance, ensuring continuity and preserving dignity. Supporting blended families and complex relationships. Modern families come in many forms, and estate planning must reflect that. Blended families, unmarried partners, estranged relationships. These circumstances require careful drafting. A comprehensive plan can protect both a surviving spouse and children from a prior marriage, provide oversight for beneficiaries who need guidance, and reduce the likelihood of misunderstandings or disputes. Addressing tax considerations and asset protection. For some, estate planning involves tax efficiency or protecting assets from potential future risks. Strategic gifting, charitable planning, and certain trust structures can preserve assets while supporting long-term goals. A lawyer helps you consider these strategies within the framework of your overall plan. Ensuring business continuity. If you own a business, succession planning becomes critical. Without direction, a company may face operational difficulties, disputes, or unexpected transitions. An estate planning lawyer helps coordinate agreements, designate successors, and integrate your business into your larger estate plan. Reducing the risk of litigation. Unclear language, outdated documents, or unintended consequences can create fertile ground for disputes. In my litigation practice, I've seen how families struggle when plans are incomplete or inconsistent. A well-crafted estate plan uses clear language, accurate documentation, and thoughtful structure to reduce the likelihood of conflict. A real-world example. A client once sought help after his mother passed away. She had remarried, but her documents were never updated. Assets were jointly titled, no trust was created, and her intentions were never formalized. Everything transferred automatically to the new spouse, leaving her child from a prior marriage with no legal recourse. The resulting dispute was painful, prolonged, and costly, and entirely preventable. Estate planning is not about wealth, it's about responsibility. You don't need a large estate to benefit from planning. If you own a home, have retirement accounts, care for children, or want clarity about medical decisions, you need an estate plan. Estate planning is about ensuring the people who matter most are supported and protected. The best time to plan is before life requires it. Life events, changing health, new relationships, and financial growth all influence your plan. A good estate planning lawyer becomes a long-term advisor who helps you refine and update your plan as life evolves, leaving clarity, not uncertainty. Estate planning is a practical step, but it's also deeply personal. When you plan well, you give your family guidance at a time they need it most. You reduce stress, avoid confusion, and provide a roadmap that honors your intentions. Preparing for the unexpected is more than a legal act. It's an act of care. I'm Mike Hackard. Thanks for watching.